GlobalMantix really likes Meraki's feature set, but this alone doesn't address the wide area network or WAN transport problems. The existing GlobalMantix WAN connects remote sites back to main headquarters, typically across large distances. In general, SD-WAN solutions seek to optimize WAN bandwidth usage by selecting the most appropriate transport based on the application's performance requirements. Email and file transfer services require high bandwidth but can tolerate latency, jitter, and loss. Real-time interactive traffic such as voice cannot tolerate these network effects but doesn't require much bandwidth either. SD-WAN allows the network fabric to make intelligent decisions on a per-application basis, which is enforced through centralized policy. Unlike Meraki, this solution can be hosted in the cloud or in a private data center, making it a good choice for highly regulated organizations. SD-WAN separates the exchange of routing information from the flow of data itself. The remote devices, called WAN edges, communicate back to vSmart controllers to receive their networking routing instructions in a hub-spoke fashion. The actual flow of data is different, flowing directly between two WAN edges to create an optimal path. Last, the vManage component is similar to Meraki's cloud management component, which has a dashboard and useful REST API. This is responsible for interfacing with the SD-WAN fabric. SD-WAN brings a lot to the table and is projected to be a major disruption to traditional WANs. Like Meraki, SD-WAN has a central point of management sporting a web-based dashboard and a REST API. Also like Meraki, the single pane of glass is where operators configure their desired traffic forwarding policies. Think of an apartment complex. If you've ever lived in one, you probably didn't know all your neighbors even though you were co-located. You were segmented into a building with a shared roof, parking lot, plumbing, etc. The same concept applies in networking, as we may have different organizations physically at one site, but we want to keep their data separate. This improves security and manageability. For additional protection, SD-WAN includes intrusion prevention capabilities. This gives fine-grained control over which applications are allowed to talk to which other applications, improving the security posture of the whole organization. If you have thousands of remote sites, you want to plug in your gear, walk away, and have it just work. Using an auxiliary component known as vBond, WAN edges can discover their vSmart controllers. vBond serves as a broker to marry up these SD-WAN components to form the fabric with minimal effort.